again. Hi.
We're floating.
We sure are.
She's doing fantastic.
Right. We're in Arizona.
She's so relaxed.
It's over 80 outside, but the pool isn't hot enough yet.
Well, it's hot enough.
I think they need to heat the pool.
Maybe use the sun.
I know, but it takes quite a while for the sun to heat a pool. Yeah, because the desert gets cold at night. You'll have to flip up the top lip of her hat, honey bunny. Yeah, so we can see our bathing beauty. That's right. Yeah, that's it. Kick.
Kick, just like in the pool. And in the spot home. That's it. Oh, you
Yes.
Come on, we've been practicing for this. We've been practicing. Kick.
That's our girl.
Kick.
Hi, Derek Jeter.
Ah.
Hi.
Kick, kick, kick.
How could she kick? She's stuck.
You did great.
All right, now she can do it, you guys.
You could sing it.
Yeah, she could. She's smiling.
He likes to walk. Come on, do I have to take you guys in?
He'll come carry you in. I will, but I'm the movie taker right now.
Well, no, she's just ready.
Yeah, no, we just can't let her go. I mean, I don't think we're going to do it with you.
She comes with me, Mike.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Here's Aunt Nicole coming in.
Oh.
Everybody knows we're from the north.
Because they're so white-skinned or what?
Because we're in the pool.
How you because you're warm?
Probably.
You want to go to Aunt Nicole?
Yeah.
You're beautiful, girl. Look at you. Oh, yeah.
I do.
Hi.
You recognize me?
Yeah.
I'm Grandpa.
Yeah.
You're my granddaughter. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big girl. Big girl.
This is going to make her thirsty. Yum, 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 yum.
I gave her a little bit of drink up on this one.
Whee!
Probably nice and warm now for you.
That's right.
Way to do it there, chick.
Whee!
This is cool, huh? Your clothes are getting
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Grandma.